Hello everybody, Joe here, Soggy Bottom Forge. Not in the forge today. I'm actually down about a 5-minute walk from the coast, I guess is what I was told. So I'm going to head off down this path over here, over there, and go see if we can find the coast. Should be that way. So let me get this turned around and I'll be right back. I'm sorry about shaking in the camera here. I'm holding it in my hand, so I don't have a selfie stick or anything like that. So apparently this trail here leads over to a beach access, and you head that direction and go through some condos, I guess, is what I was told. And then you head out to the coast. Right there is the highway. Here comes a car. Dang cars interfering with my nature walk. Trying to get my gloves out. It's kind of chilly this morning. Now it's gonna get really shaky. Sorry about that. I had to get my gloves on. You know, 2 days before Christmas. Washington State. Yesterday it didn't rain. It was pretty sunny. Today it's pretty sunny. Still colder than all get out, but looks like they're doing some clearing over here. Interesting. Yeah, we got trees. If I had my choice to either live in the woods or by the ocean, I would prefer the woods personally. But when you can live in the woods by the ocean, all the better. Now, there's the access road there. There's apparently a condo right over there. You'll see it when right there it is. So a little pavement walk in here. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this until I get past this. There's a bridge right there. I'll wait. We'll see what's on the other side real quick. But yeah, we got woods. We've got sunshine. Blue skies with a few clouds over there. Not too bad. Big bright opening. Nice piece of property right there. I don't know if I'd want to live this close to the beach though. That's a little, oh, it's a dog walking area. Don't go over there. I got enough landmines in my backyard. Little bridge, it still has ice on it. A little river here. Ah, canoe. I've never been out here down this part anyway. It's pretty nice. So anyway, there's some condos right over here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this and wait till we get to the other side of them. Then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so it looks like we made it past the condos. Another little trail here. Walking on the sand, we're getting close. Gnarly bushes here around here. There's a little trail going off over there. Back in the dunes. Let's see. Morning. Well, I won't be having a fire out here today, so maybe one of these days I'll pull a Yamez and get my forge and come down to the beach and do some beach forging. Of course, my anvil stand would, it's basically a 12 by or 6 by 8 block. Imagine driving that down into the ground and keep getting shorter and shorter on me. Eventually I'd be on my knees. Little bridge here covering some little puddles. Yeah, they said it would be a little wet out here, which, living in Washington, kind of expect that. Alrighty, oh, looks like we're clearing out, opening up. Walk on this side. This is the path, the water path. There we go. Not too bad. It's a little muddy. All right. Right down here. All right, got to jump. Little bump. Sorry, guys. This is the dry path, apparently. There's the dunes. I can't hear the cars on the highway nearly as well now. I can still hear them. I don't know if you guys can. Man, I'm out of shape. Of course, my nose is running, so I'm making it a little harder to breathe because it's cold out. I'm gonna get up on top of this by the little piece right there. Hopefully we'll be able to see something. Alrighty. Sorry about all the sniffling. There, I see it now. You see it sneaking in there? You see it sneaking in there? Well, everybody, we're definitely getting closer. Driftwood. More driftwood. More driftwood. Yeah. If I was into woodworking more, I'd do a little bit, but if I was more into it, I would definitely be coming out here to get driftwood, because every time I come down here, I always see lots of it. So a friend of mine, I don't know, video a while back, I don't remember if I put it up or had it in it or not. I was etching a wrought iron spike for a friend of mine. He found it out here on this beach. There's like a ship that had come up, an old ship that could come up off the bottom, I guess, and come onto the coast. Was up here for a few days. Crab shell. He came out here, was able to get a spike. Somebody driving on the beach. He was able to get a spike, and then before he could come back out and get another one, or any more, the tidy came in, picked it up, and taken it away. So, oh, see, driftwood, 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 driftwood. A whole bunch of driftwood. So, well, everybody, welcome to the Pacific Coast. That right there is the Pacific Ocean off of Washington State, Grays Harbor County. As you saw by the fire sign back there, there's a big old chunk of driftwood right over here. Alrighty, guys. Oh, somebody driving on the beach. This one little spot out of hundreds of miles of beach. Anyway, yeah, turn this back around. Yeah, so just thought you guys might like a little nature hike and quick view of the ocean, Pacific Northwest. Cold day. I think I'm gonna put my hoodie up for the walk back. Anyway, this is Joe from Soggy Bottom Forge. Peace, and I'm out.